The Fiery Smart Estimator allows you to estimate toner usage before printing a single page. It's very useful with the compatible Xerox printers and Fiery servers that support the Xerox Adaptive CMYK Vivid Kit. First, enter your cost per cartridge or bottle of the available toners. For this example, I'll just enter random values for each of the available specialty toners. You can also change the currency symbol that's displayed. Next, make sure the right properties for the Vivid Kit are configured. Under Toner Sets, select Vivid Kit. And then in Job Properties, check the Apply Vivid Kit box under Specialty Colorant. Process and hold your job. Next, right-click on your process job and select Estimate Cost. Note that you can only estimate one job at a time. Once the estimation is finished, a new line will appear in the Job Summary pane that shows the estimated cost for the job. Click on the Details link to view the estimation. You'll see the cost estimation for each available toner, as well as the total estimated toner cost for the job. You can also access this by right-clicking on the job and selecting Cost Estimation Details. You can add a column in Fiery Command Workstation that shows the estimated cost for jobs at a glance. Right-click on a column heading, select Add New, then Job Info, then Estimated Cost. You'll see a column added with the cost for all estimated jobs. The estimated cost will also dynamically change if you edit the number of copies in a job.